Now it's good.
If all days, brown eyes, roots in my apartment, and we grew, passed by, players were always falling. We need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind.
What kind of berry?
So we take off in amazing dive. Driving circles, growing sick of the weather. Heather gray fell asleep in my sweatshirt. I leave the world and make a new one together. That's how my mom that I'll be back in November.
For only $20, you can have a cursed life.
Don't look so scared.
Hallways, burnt skies, ride with clouds we're lost in. And we drew this life back when we were falling.
Fine will to live. I've been making the most like bum-fuckiest is that matcha lattes recently. I'm not supposed to have a lot of foods right now. It's not a diet. It's not to change how I look or how I feel about myself. It's about having dietary restrictions for my health so that I can get better and feel better in my brain and in my body, but mostly my brain. And what more is there to say about that, really? One of those things is I can't have sugar, so I have to have xylitol. And xylitol kind of feels like eating ice, and it's not really sweet at all. So it makes very disappointing matcha. I've been thinking, every once in a while I do think, and I've been thinking recently. Fuck this shit. This is my 13th reason. It's gonna taste like shit whether I make it right or not, so let's go with it. I've been thinking. I've felt like doo-doo for a long time. If you actually do watch my videos, you probably notice I've been posting like every few months and it sucks. But there's just all this stuff going on in my brain and in my life, and like first and foremost, I don't have the energy to be making the videos, but then second, I feel like what am I supposed to talk about and how am I supposed to act when up here is like doo-doo and I have no energy to pretend it's not. And then I realized, big revelation, I realized what if I can just make videos and do what I want to do and still let that stuff be shitty, but not have to lie about how I feel or who I am. What if I did that? What a concept. So I'm gonna try it. It might not be today, but I'm gonna continue to be me while simultaneously allowing all the shitstorm in my life to continue to be a shitstorm. That's not to say that it's not like, I'm just gonna sit there and let it continue to be a shitstorm without doing anything. That's why I eat this shitty sugar. I feel like if I cover up too much of my like blemishes or dark circles, I feel like I no longer look like myself, and thus I have to keep them. I already fucked this up. So PewDiePie recently moved to Japan, and I'm dying. It's not even like they're doing anything crazy. They've been vlogging it. They, as in Felix and Marcia. But it's not even like they're doing crazy stuff in Japan that makes you want to go to Japan. They're just like getting a car and registering their marriage in Japan and like getting a bank account, but it's killing me. I know that's like super mundane and like annoying to them, but I'm like, man, I want to register my marriage in Japan. just tourist things. This is my waterline stan account. I think it makes a huge difference before you do mascara. Why wouldn't you do it? Look at the difference. Can you tell a difference? I'm like, guys, look at the huge difference, and you guys are probably like, okay, bestie, whatever you say. You know, there aren't many upsides to having nobody watch you on YouTube, but there is a few, and one of them, I can only name one of them. I'm not actually sure if there's a few. One of them is that you can play all the copyright music you want, and the music companies are gonna claim your video, and they're gonna get nothing. Well, actually, I don't know if that's true, because YouTube can show videos on your ads show ads on your videos before you're monetized, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. You should not be able to do that. If the creators are not getting money for their content, you should not be able to earn money on their content. But anyway, they're claiming my video, and like, even if there were ads on my videos, like, what are they getting? Nothing. You guys can claim all you want. You're getting nothing from me. I think it's funny. Oh, stab myself in the eye. Oh, you guys ever do that or get like mascara on like your lid and you kind of just feel like taking it all off? Like it would be easier to just take it all off and give up than it would to try and fix it. Oh, I don't know. Don't ask why I do that. I'm trying to be subtle, but I still feel like I should put a little on my lower line. I'm leaving my house. That's why we're here. Nobody told me my brother was having a birthday dinner tonight, but apparently he is. So I'm leaving my house. Somewhat begrudgingly, somewhat excitedly. This is too much hair. Absolutely ridiculous. I look like a mad person. And since my hair is falling out, I can't wear it down anymore. Like, it's just like, no, I'm not gonna be the girl who's like leaving a trail of hair behind her so that you can follow her home. Stop exposing the light behind me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, but actually, I can't get over it. I just looked at how long my hair is. I can't believe this. This is like long hair, right? Maybe this is coming from somebody who's never had long hair in their life, but like, this is long hair, isn't it? Like, look how long this is. Why does it kind of look good? Like I just got out of the shower or something. Should I just wear it like this? Why do I look like I'm somebody who just rolled out of bed in like a rom-com? I was like, oh, my hair is just, yeah, it's just how it is after I wake up. Why does it look bad? No, it looks bad. Comment. Does this look good or not? No, I'm gonna braid it, I think. I don't know. Hello? This is like the moment in my life where I'm like, do I like myself? Do I like long hair? Do I like long hair now? No, I'm gonna cut it all off. But do I like long hair now? No, I'm gonna cut it off. Unless... You can tell I've lost hair from like how flat my fucking head is. My arms are so sore. Braiding your hair is like arm day. Not that I would know because I've never done an arm day in my life. My arm's aching. Why is it so much work? Why does it hurt so bad? I have no upper arm strength. Why is it so painful? Is that better? A little bit? Not really. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys something. I got some clothes. Clothes recently. I haven't bought clothes in like at least 2 years. Cause why would I buy clothes if I'm not going anywhere? You know what I wear at home? I'll show you what I wear at home. I wear pajamas. These are my, I don't know how, this is some acrobatics. I want to show you. These are my love pizzas. Can you see? Ow! My hip didn't like that. They're pizzas with little hearts on them. I'm more passionate about pajamas than I am about anything. Anyway, so my mom was like, sis, bestie. Shouldn't say that, but she's like, bestie, you gotta buy some clothes for yourself. Like, you're sad. You're sad in pajamas. So I got 2 things. Actually, there's this like green dress thing. I liked the yellow better, but I already have like 2 yellow dresses, so. And then the other one is like this blue shirt. I might wear this tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, but I'm gonna give you guys a little fashion show. I'm gonna show you my dress and my shirt. I suck so bad at YouTube. I don't even want to be good at it. No, that's a lie. I really do want to be good at it. I have a lot of envy for other people. How do you like my dress? I'll probably never wear it anyway. But I think it's cute. I'm standing on my bed, if you could tell. Oh, am I gonna hit the ceiling? This feels like it's inside out. There's like a little button at the back. Can you guys do up this button for me? Oh, thanks. Haha. Okay, well, guys, what about this? Well, these are cute. I've ripped them once before, so I could rip them again. I haven't worn them since then. I've been too afraid. This is the best flavor, apple. My specialty is making meals that look and taste like they should be fed to a stray animal. Suck it up. You guys are spoiled with great content on YouTube of like professional people filming. Every now and then you guys need to see like a shaky iPhone camera. The best part about all that is that I filmed it lengthwise, not even realizing. As if the shaky camera should be the first complete. I should just retake that like this way, but am I gonna? No, I just decided no, I won't. POV, you're my fridge and I'm cleaning you. In the shape of an L on her forehead. And they don't stop coming and they don't stop coming and they don't stop coming. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. Hey now, you're an all-star, get the game on! 5,000 likes and I will lick it. Is that a hair? Welcome to, is it satisfying or is it gross? This is not satisfying, I think it's just gross. Oh my god. Look how clean. Good work today, team. Team as in me. Me is I in team. Girl cries while putting on aloe vera. I can't keep doing this. I can't keep doing this. How many bald spots are gonna grow in that I'm gonna have to hairspray? How many years? I can't keep doing this. It's like fucking hilarious. Hairspray wouldn't even work. I'm not even confident it's gonna work on the other one that's growing in. I have to use like eyebrow gel, like the intense kind. This is what I had to do for the first one. This ponytail is so slick, but like we don't have any other choice, boys.
I think you'll be okay here. You went out as far as here.
And more discussion.
This is so freaking exciting!
I think my neighbor just hit the recycling bin with their car. You can hear them laughing. That's so funny. We have fun drink, my matcha latte, and we have hydration laxative drink. Guys, make sure you poop. It's good for you. I cleaned off my desk. This is really what I wanted to show you guys, not my poo-poo juice. Okay, bye.